we have something called a frequent flow line. And that's where people write to us. And we have one this week. Matter of fact, it's a FedEx driver, Paul, from Tacoma, Washington. He's 28 years old. He said his grandfather had just passed away and left him $50,000. And he wanted to ask the Wingmen what he should do with that $50,000. I'll let you answer first.
Okay, well, I'm going to say, well, if you get some debt, he probably does. 28, anybody can have any amount of debt. You may want to get rid of your debt first or some of it. But let's just say, assume he doesn't have any debt or nothing of any consequence. Let's say maybe take 10% of that and $5,000 and do something for yourself. That's nice. Maybe somebody else. Take another 10, 5 and keep that in reserve. And maybe you can invest, if you want to be a stock picker, fine. We'll put $40,000 in a S&P 500 index fund.